Plumbing is about making people's lives better, solving problems and helping where you can. I've been in the industry for over 33 years. I'm what they class a second generation plumber because my dad was a plumber. I used to hand him tools. Do this, hold that, pass me this. I'd go and do tea and coffee, I didn't mind doing that. But my dad was a great leader, teacher. He said, if you want to, when you finish school, decide what you want to do, I'll take you on. When I started doing it, I then realised how little I knew about plumbing. It's more than just putting two pipes together. It's also about how to deal with customers. I find customers amazing. I deal with my customers personal. You get to know them, you know bits about them. I've got a bunch of keys. Only one key belongs to my house. The other 10 or 11 are customers' keys. You wouldn't let someone in your house if you didn't trust them. Trust, it's essential. That is the essential part of any trade. When you're dealing with a quality product, as Mira produce, it's so much easier. There's small things like the nuts go on quite nicely. You know it's not going to be a product, it's only going to be in for a year. You put everything into the best of your ability, and when you've got people walking in and going, wow, you're seeing the customer satisfaction that keeps you motivated and gets you up every morning. When my dad retired, we had a debate about whether I keep the name going or not. I looked at Albert Williams Limited, my dad's name, and it was available. When I had my van sign written, he came out, he looked, went, that's nice. He went back into the house to get his phone to take pictures. I'm proud that he's proud of what we achieved as a family. He's all a legacy, he's a legend in my eyes. And I think he'll always be. For me, this is more than a shower installation. We've done.
Yes. Thank you so much. That was amazing.